Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x to the power of 6 equals to 7 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we need to focus on the exponent of both of the sides, and we will rewrite these exponents as in this form. We write the 6 as x to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. Similarly, we write the 7 to the power of 6 as 7 to the power of 3 times of 2. And now here after that we will apply the nice exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m cross n is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this rule, here we need to move this cube inside the term. So we write it as x cubed and its whole square equals to, we write this term as 7 cubed and its whole square. And now here in the next step we move the 7 cubed whole square in the left hand side, and it will be written as x cubed whole square, and when we move this term in the left hand side it will becomes minus 7 cube and its whole square equals to 0. So further we will apply here the nice algebraic formula. So according to this formula we will apply this nice formula. So it will be written as a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So when we apply this formula to the above equation, so that our above equation is written as x cubed minus 7 cubed times of x cubed plus 7 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further we need to break this equation into the two cases. So that the first case is we write x cubed minus 7 cubed equals to 0. The second case is we write x cubed plus 7 cubed equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. So here we need to solve these two equations simultaneously, and we easily get the values of x. So here first we focus on equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we will apply here this nice formula. If you have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we write our equation number 1 as in this form. First we have a minus b, so we have this is x minus 7 times of x square plus x times of 7 and plus 7 square. This whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. So that the first case is we write x minus 7 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 7x plus this is 7 square equals to 49, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need to solve these two equations, and we easily get the values of x. So from this equation we easily get the value of x is equals to 7. This is the first root of the given equation, and from this this is the quadratic equation in x variable, so we can apply the quadratic formula. But now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 7, and c equals to 49. And quadratic formula is stated as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now we will substitute the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as x is equals to minus b, the value of b is 7. It will be written as minus 7 plus minus square root of 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 49, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So in the next step we simplify the terms, and we write it as minus 7 plus minus, here you know that 7 square equals to 49, and we will take common 49 here. So when you take common 49 we will get here 1 minus 4 and its whole square root divided by 2. And now here in the next step we have x is equals to minus 7 plus minus. Here we know that the square root of 49 becomes 7. This is 1 minus 4 becomes square root of minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have the two values of x are minus 7 plus minus 7 times of. Here we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes here iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the first two complex roots of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to focus on equation number 2. So from equation number 2 we have we will apply this nice cubic formula in equation number 2. A cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus a. So from equation number 2 we will apply here this nice cubic formula. So according to this formula we will write our equation number 2 as, first we copy down equation number 2. Here it will be written as x cubed plus 7 cubed equals to 0. And now we apply the above cubic formula here. So it will be written as x plus 7 times of x square minus x times of 7 plus 7 square, and this whole equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and we will write it as so this will be written as x plus 7 times of x square minus 7x plus 49, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now we divide this equation into the two cases. So that the first case is we write x plus 7 equals to 0. The second case is we write x square minus 7x plus 49 equals to 0. So from first case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 7, and this is again we get quadratic equation. So here we again apply the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c equals to 49. So we again state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So we substitute the above values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as, this is minus b and this is minus 7 becomes here plus 7, and plus minus square root of, this is b square, b is minus 7 square equals to plus 49, and here we have minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 49, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is also equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we write it as 7 plus minus square root of, here we need to take common 49, and we get the remaining value is 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So here we write that 7 plus minus, we know that the square root of 49 becomes 7, and 1 minus 4 becomes here minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So we know that when negative sign becomes inside the square root, it will becomes here iota, and it will be written as 7 plus minus 7 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.